What's going on YouTube? It's Jason here with Votech, and today we have the AULA F75 Keyboard. We're going to check it out, we're going to review it, test it out, and just check out the different pros and cons of it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright YouTube, we're back with the keyboard. So we're gonna go ahead and break this seal. Excuse my desk, probably a little messy. I still gotta give you, I still have to make the video, my before and after, where I kind of transform this. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and pop this sucker open. See what all it has in here. In my previous video, I did a video on some of the accessories that I got for the keyboard, because I want my setup to be more, I guess, more content creator, streamer, gamer friendly. So yeah. I'm excited. You guys wouldn't believe me if I told you how long it took me to get this in the mail. It took quite a minute for this to come in. So I'm really, really happy and excited that it's finally here. Yeah. All right, I don't know what it says. I don't understand it. I realize this keyboard is most likely overseas. It has a really good weight to it. Oh wow, I can really get used to that. We got a couple of tools in here. Switches, keycap puller. Oh, excuse me. And I think that's it. Oh man, I'm excited. I'm so excited. I've been seeing this keyboard all over TikTok, and I saw it on some other places too, different sites. I think I actually saw a couple of them on YouTube as well. Yeah, I just wanted to give a thorough review. Gotta get myself together, YouTube. I have the cord that I have for it. Oh, it's actually right here. All right, this is the cord I have for it. Yeah, so this is the instruction booklet. I'll go through and read it just to, you know, get a more general idea of what's in here. All right. Wow. Oh my gosh, I am in love. Oh. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but I can really end this review right here. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, this is my old keyboard. This is actually my first keyboard that I bought. I actually got it as a deal with this mouse. I'm gonna be upgrading this mouse pretty soon when I get the money. But yeah, this, okay, hold on. Let's just, I'm really excited. Okay. All right, YouTube, we're back. Hold on. So, I'm gonna, oh my gosh. This thing is crazy. This, yo, this thing is crazy, chat. Hold on. This thing is, yeah. 10 out of 10, highly recommend, and would definitely do it again. I don't have anything bad to say about this keyboard. Yeah, the unboxing review, it looks good. Like, I'm gonna have to run some more tests on it. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to, you know, play the game, or, you know, I don't know, do some more typing and stuff. But we're gonna say that for another video. So, wow. Yeah, I got some work to do. I'll be coming back to you guys soon with some more footage on this keyboard. This thing is amazing. I love it. This is my first, like, mechanical 75% keyboard that sounds as creamy as it does. Wait, before I let you guys go, I just want to, okay. Oh, Jesus, this thing is amazing. Yeah, this thing is, hey, I'm loving it. I really am. I'm going to do some more tests. Until next time, YouTube, it's been real, it's been fun, it's been real fun. Man, I'll be back, I promise, real soon with a part 2, because this thing is it. But until then, stay safe. Peace.